Welcome to the Primary National Curriculum Guidance for Mathematics. My name is Debbie Morgan and I'm Director for Primary at the NCTM. I led the team who developed the guidance and I'm very happy and excited to be able to share it with you. The guidance sits alongside the national curriculum and its key purpose is firstly to identify the core knowledge within the curriculum, those things that provide the foundations and therefore should be prioritised and given the lion's share of time. Alongside that is how we order those things and connect them to ensure good progression. The Ready to Progress criteria is the mechanism for doing those two things. Here are 4 Ready to Progress criteria that clearly track the progression from Year 3 to Year 6 of dividing core place value units into equal parts of 2, 4, 5 and 10 to support graphing and other contexts where scales are involved. So to get started with the guidance, go to the DFE website. You can find this by typing in teachingmathsinprimaryschools.gov.uk. Download the chapter for your year group, but before you read it, go to the bottom of the DFE page and click on the video links. This will take you to YouTube. There are 7 videos relevant to the guidance. Read the intro video first. This will give you an overview of the guidance. Then select the one that's bespoke to your year group. This will summarise all the Ready to Progress criteria relevant to your year group. Then go back to your year group chapter, and as you read it, look out for things such as making connections. For example, connecting composition of number with composition of shape. Consider the prerequisites when looking at the Ready to Progress criteria table at the start of your chapter, and ask yourselves, are these in place or is there more work to be done? Consider the representations used, for example, tens frames. How are they used in your particular year group? Consider the language structures that draw children's attention to key relationships. Consider the guidance on how concepts are developed, such as unitising and moving children beyond seeing everything as units of ones, but instead units of different sizes, such as units of 2. Each Ready to Progress criteria has its own set of assessment questions. Each question is carefully selected to look at the concept from different perspectives. For example, in these 2 questions on composition and partitioning of number, the first looks at partitioning the number into 2 parts, and the second, the number has already been partitioned and the pupil has to identify the hidden part. To finish, first of all, I would say take your time. There is much richness in the guidance, but it will take time to unpack and apply to your practice. Get in touch with your local Maths Hub. There is much expertise and the opportunity to work collaboratively with other schools. The NCTM will be producing further resources in September to support you, so look out for those. Thank you.